friends, once again welcome to Yummy Treats with Yas. Today we are going to make egg cheese dosa. Would you like to join me? Come on, let's make it. To make the egg cheese dosa, we need dosa batter, 1 egg, pepper powder, salt, chopped coriander leaves, grated cheese and some cooking oil. Now let's start making the cheese dosa. Now I'll break the egg and whisk it. And now I'll stir it. The dosa pan is hot now. I'm going to apply some oil. I'll press it in the sides nicely. The dosa pan is hot now. Let's start making the dosa. Now I add the whisked egg. Now I add salt and pepper. Now I add my coriander leaves. Now I am adding the oil. Now I will close the pan with the lid. The dosa will be ready in 2 minutes. You can add butter if you like. I am flipping the dosa. And cook it for 1 more minute. The dosa should be ready now. Let's flip it and check. Wow, it's ready. Let's add cheese now. I am going to close the lid for 2 seconds till the cheese melts. Now I am plating my egg cheese dosa. Wow, it looks very yummy. Doesn't it look like a pizza?